A soldier without bulletproof is a dead man that is still standing. Oh. A soldier without bullet is a dead man that is still standing. Oh. So that fine boy without Jesus Christ is already a dead man that is still dripping. That fine girl without Jesus Christ is already a